Hi, welcome to Adventures and Things. I'm Michael Wright, and today we are looking for mollusk mania. It's a geocache that's called mollusk mania, and it's back in that Oswald Park that I came to before to find another one. A few videos ago I said that I wanted to find the one in Oswald Park because they are getting rid of it soon. So they got rid of it on November 1st, and then someone else had put one up just pretty close to here. So it's called Mollusk Mania, and we're gonna go find it right meow. Okay, so apparently this one isn't exactly in Oswald Park, but it's, from what I can see on the old telephone, is that it's just outside of there, and the description is some gardeners see these creatures as pests. We love them, and there's a lot of them in this area of Oakland. So it says it's right around here. Oh, that's pretty simple, I think. So let's see here. Yep, that's the cache there. Here, I always feel like I'm doing criminal activity when I'm geocaching. I gotta like watch out for muggles. And oh, this has been found. I'm the 7th person, lucky number 7 to find this. There's muggles. Seriously though, I always feel like I'm like committing some sort of crime when I'm out here doing this. I'm like hiding, like, oh no, they're gonna catch me. But you don't really want, you know, regular folk or what they call muggles to find these, because, you know, if they don't know any better, then they're just gonna hide them themselves or move them because they think it's funny. But that one was really easy, so let's go find another one. Next one is called Three Sisters, and it's a difficulty of 2. And I'm not 100% sure here, but it's set here by 3 sisters from Ontario, which I'm from Ontario, so this should be easy. I don't know. But oh, they say if there's muggles watching you, they are likely well aware of what you are doing. I've made this cache easily wheelchair accessible. So I'm not 100%. I'm not 100% sure where it is, but I have a feeling that it is at this Hillside Seniors Health Center right here. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go in there, just because I don't have a mask, and in these COVID times I don't think it's really a good idea to do that. I don't think it's worth going to find a cache and put people at risk. Okay, so far what I see is that it's on the back side of the building, so I think I might be okay. But if, you know, if there's like people and stuff around, I'd rather not put anyone that is already at a high risk at more risk. So I just gotta kind of, I'm hoping it's not in there. That shouldn't be, but that'd be gross. I think therefore I am. I don't know. It would be somewhere on here. Somewhere. So much foliage in here. Is that it? Yeah, it's a mushroom. Oh man, I'm gonna need like a leaf blower or a rake or something. I'm thinking to get this one. Really starting to get annoying because there's so much foliage. Well, I found it. It was right in front of my face the whole time, and here it is here. Just dangling away. I probably hit that branch like 3 or 4 times and just didn't notice it. That's actually a pretty good hide. I gotta be honest with you, that was a bit of a tough one. I'll be honest, it was a bit frustrating because a lot of times these are put in the foliage, and this one wasn't. It was just hanging out there, just dangling. It was a good cache. It was a roller coaster of emotions for this guy, but fun. It was fun nonetheless. Let's try to find maybe another one. Okay, so this one says it will leave you in chains, which I'm assuming it is either a chain or on a chain link fence. Oh, it's back this way. And, oh, this looks horrible. It's still back this way, 8 meters. What the shit? I am 3M from it, so I think it's around here somewhere. When you see out of place rocks like this, it's a good indication that, oh, look at all those bugs. Boop. And one of the best things about geocaching is jamming your hand into the unknown and it coming out covered in whatever sorts of things. I know, it's not a big deal. One of my favorite things about geocaching actually is getting out to these little unknown parks in Victoria that I otherwise wouldn't have known about. There's all sorts of places these things are hidden. It's a lot of fun. I found 3 today, so that means I'm up to 30. I didn't really understand the description. It will leave you in chains. This was under rocks. Maybe that's because there's this in here. A little puzzle piece. Maybe the description is a chain of a puzzle piece because you're left puzzled and chain puzzled. I'm gonna sign this and move on. Last person to find this one was on the 1st of November. So I hear geocaching isn't big in other places. It's not really, it's not as popular. People aren't keeping it up. Here in Victoria, it seems live. It seems alive and well. It'd be cool to see it in other countries and other places being as big. It's kind of like, you know, you're like an Indianapolis Jones out here finding treasure, or that Tom Hanks fella in that movie, Forrest Gump. I found 3 today, so that means I'm up to 30. So in order for me to hit that goal that I said that I wanted to hit in a video way back yonder, I wanted to get up to what I have in subscribers. So that means I have to find 351 more geocaches. If you want to see me get to that number, or you want to see me get to a higher number like 1,000 or 5,000, I highly suggest subscribing and telling your friends. And if you did enjoy this, subscribe, let me know in the comments below. And well, I'm off to find another 350 or more.